Hi, I'd like to talk to you about adult stem cells and your heart. Adult stem cells. These are the stem cells that are found in your very own bone marrow. These stem cells are your body's own repair system. And the more of these stem cells you have in circulation, the more repair your body can do. And of course, the more repair your body does on a day-to-day basis, the healthier you are. So let's have a look at how these stem cells work in your body. Firstly, every cell in your body has a limited lifespan. Some cells live for a few days, some for a few weeks or months, and some cells live for a year or so. Now, when one of these cells reaches the end of its lifespan, an amazing process of cellular renewal happens. And that is that dying cell will send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow then releases stem cells into circulation, and they then travel around the body, and when they find a cell that is dying, they will migrate into that tissue and become a brand new healthy cell of that type, and thus keeping the different organs and tissues in the body healthy through that daily renewal process. So let's have a look at how this works in the heart. So we've got our heart, and our heart cells live for about 8 to 10 weeks, and then they die. Now when they come to the end of that lifespan, they send out a signal to the bone marrow. The bone marrow releases stem cells into circulation, and then those stem cells can migrate into the heart and become brand new cardiac cells and also sinoatrial nodes that regulate the heart rhythm. So this is how our heart repairs and regenerates itself on a day-to-day basis. However, if our body is under stress, either physical, from poor sleep, poor diet, too little exercise, environmental toxins, or emotional stress, from work or from home, or even the aging process itself, all of these factors cause the bone marrow to become sticky. So our bone marrow doesn't release the right numbers of stem cells, and then we've got heart cells that are dying off without being replaced. And if those cells are dying off without being replaced, then our heart becomes a bit weaker, and we find trouble, walking upstairs. We have trouble recovering from exercise. If our sinoatrial nodes that regulate heart rhythm, if they die off without being replaced, then our heart rhythm becomes erratic. But if we're able to actually increase the numbers of circulating stem cells, then our body can repair and regenerate tissue within the body. And it's been shown through research that bone marrow derived stem cells can renew cardiac tissue and improve cardiac performance in humans. Now, this was published in the Journal of Nature's Medicine in April 2001. Now, one of the reasons why we don't hear about this is because there's never been a simple way of actually supporting stem cell physiology in your body. But recently, very specific plant extracts have been researched and published in human clinical studies to show that they support the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow to aid the body in self-repair. So if you'd like to find out how you can support the natural release of your own stem cells in your body to help its repair process, then click on the link in the description below to find out more information.